Hello, welcome to day 13 of our 28-day gratitude practice journey, which we are doing with the help of book called The Secret, The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. Today's chapter is Make All Your Wishes Come True. Today we are going to learn about visualization and vision board, which in this book is also called as magic board. Visualization is just like a magical carpet which takes you from your current circumstance to your dream destination just in a fraction of seconds. So the moment you visualize, you actually reach the destination where you want to be. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So to attract, you have to already feel as if it is already yours, so that how you feel now is exactly how you would feel when you receive what you wanted. By now we all have done 12 assignments and we have created a foundation of gratitude's power. So today we are going to use that gratitude's power in attracting our dreams. So we have to rewrite our dreams or desires that we wrote on day 0. Out of that you have to pick top 10 and you have to rewrite them as thank you, thank you, thank you for your dream. So thank you, thank you, thank you for my dream car, which is of diesel model, which is a 6-seater, which has a sunroof, which is of black color, orange color, whatever specifics you would want to give. As I said earlier, in dream writing, you have to always talk in present tense as if you already are, you already have, or you already are doing whatever you want to. You won't know how you will receive it and you need not know that. So as I always say, do not how, just allow. Just allow the universe to fulfill your dream, goal or desire. Just have that belief. Like you don't question the law of gravity. You know when you are standing up, you won't fall. Similarly, have that belief in the law of attraction that if you sincerely pay your gratefulness towards what you desire, you will receive it. Today, author also tells us why we should say 3 times thank you. Number one reason is it prevents us from just throwing it away in the air. It helps us to focus on the gratitude, on the feelings. And second reason is it is the magical number of creation. So author says, for example, to create a baby you need a male and a female so that the creation cycle gets completed. So similarly, you need to say 3 times thank you for creating your dream. So first assignment is to write your top 10 dreams in the new template of thank you, thank you, thank you for whatever your dream is. Second step is to visualize each and every dream that you wrote. So pick the first one. Ask yourself 3 questions. First, what emotion did you feel when you received or when you achieved what your dream or goal or desire is? Second, who was the first person whom you informed or whom you shared the news of a dream completion? How did you tell them? And third, what is the first great thing that you did after completion of your dream? So if I may take example of car over here. So I was feeling happy. I shared it with my husband and we took it to a temple for puja. So visualize yourself by answering these 3 points and then take up the second desire. Ask these 3 questions again. Answer them in your mind. Imagine yourself celebrating it, yourself talking about it, yourself feeling about it. And finally, reread each desire and pay sincere gratefulness to each of your dream. For the magic board or the vision board, download the picture of what you want in life and morph yourself or your family in that picture and take a printout, write in big bold capital letters, thank you, thank you, thank you, and paste that picture on the wall, on refrigerator, or wherever you see it often. Count your blessing and magic rock exercise has to be continued throughout our journey, and I'm hoping you all are doing that religiously. If you need any guidance in dream writing or in making your vision board, then please feel free to ping me on Facebook, link that is provided in the description box of the video below, and I'll try and guide you. If you want to be a part of our guided book reading session, then also please ping me, and I'll get you enrolled. Thank you so much. Keep up with the assignments. Bye bye.